When a company faces severe financial trouble, a legal process called receivership often begins. Let's look at how this works. A receivership is a court-appointed mechanism used to protect assets when a business cannot meet its financial obligations. The court appoints an independent professional known as a receiver to take control of the company's property and operations. The receiver acts as a neutral party with a duty to protect the assets and satisfy creditors fairly under court supervision. While receivership focuses on managing specific assets, bankruptcy is a broader legal process aimed at restructuring or liquidating the entire company. The process moves from initial assessment to stabilizing the business, eventually leading to a resolution, such as a sale or return to owners. Remember that the receiver answers to the judge, ensuring that the process remains transparent and follows legal standards. Receiverships are complex legal tools used to manage financial distress. Thanks for watching, and check back for more finance basics.